How to do an extended bolus on Omnipod 5 dual wave and combo bolus setup. To perform an extended bolus on the Omnipod 5 system, it's essential to understand that this feature is available only in manual mode. Switching to manual mode, open the Omnipod 5 app. Navigate to Settings, System Mode. Select Manual Mode. Confirm the switch when prompted. Once in manual mode, you can program an extended bolus. How to do an extended bolus on Omnipod 5. Step 1. Enter bolus settings. Tap the bolus button on the home screen. Enter the carbohydrate amount for the meal. Optionally, use the sensor glucose value or enter a blood glucose reading for a correction bolus. Step 2. Select Extended Bolus. Instead of confirming the bolus immediately, tap the Extend Bolus option. Specify the percentage or units of the meal bolus to be delivered immediately, e.g., 50% now. Enter the duration over which the remaining insulin will be delivered, from 1 to 24 hours. Step 3. Confirm and deliver. Review the bolus details. Tap Start to begin insulin delivery. A progress bar will show the delivery status, and you can cancel the bolus while it is still delivering if needed.